Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav from Logic Tubes, and in this video tutorial we are going to build a program that is again a basic C program, and that is for conversion of Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into the Celsius. Okay, so let us begin. And here is our question: temperature conversion. We are going to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to the Celsius. Okay, so the formulas are like this. Okay, as it in the lines. Okay, so let's go and start our programming. We are going to take float values like C, F, and Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so in the next step let us define some Celsius value. So let us say it is a 72 degrees Celsius. No. And so let's take a Fahrenheit value that is equals to 161.6 degrees Celsius. Okay, these are the actual conversions. So I'm taking them both of the values so that the conversion rates will match each other, and then it will confirm us that the operations are quite good. So for the first operation, we are going to take conversion from Celsius into Fahrenheit, and we are just taking this formula as our variables are exactly the same. And so for the next variable f is Fahrenheit to the C, we are going to take this formula and paste it out, because just because we are taking the same variables. Okay, if you change it, then you have to change the variables with the formula too. So now let us print the values like right now I'm just taking the short form. C to F is equals to %F, and that is nothing but CF. Fine. And a backslash n to break the line, and again printf c sorry f to c, okay, is equals to %f, and again break the line, and then you can write fc. So now let's test it out that our formula is working cool or not. Okay, so then compile it and then now test it out. Okay, so the conversion of Celsius 72 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is 161.6, and the same the conversion of 161 degrees Fahrenheit to the Celsius is equal to 72. Okay, so the conversion formula is working quite good. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to user decide that if he has to he wanted to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, and then as a respect we are going to take these kind of decisions. Okay, so for that let us take another one more variable. Let us take OPR. Okay, so which operation to perform it is. So let's say, and we are going to first print a line, print into our console, select an option to follow. Okay, and that will be, we are going to print into another line, that is for 0 1, that is Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, and again n, and that is Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fine. So by this way we are going to take the input as an option, and now this, and now I have to take what input, what is the selection that user inputs. Okay, so whatever is the selection, I'll take it as let's take this OPR into as an integer variable, because we have it as an integer. Okay, so for that we are printing it as like %d, and for allocation of the memory ampersand OPR. Fine. So now there must be some values assigned into the OPR, maybe 1 or maybe 2 here. Okay. So the decision is, if 1 is the option, then it converts Celsius to Fahrenheit, and if 2 is the option, then it converts Fahrenheit to the Celsius, and then it gives the result. Okay. So let us go and do our decision making over here. So if okay, if OPR equal 1, then do something else. If OPR equal 2, then do something else, do something. Okay, so let's break the line so that it will be more clear to you. Okay, so now what if the option is 1? If the option is 1, then the Celsius to the Fahrenheit will be changed. Okay, so we are going and placing this value to this and Celsius to Fahrenheit, and the result will be like this, and this. And similarly, what if the option is 2? Then the Fahrenheit into the Celsius will be converted. Okay, so we are going to take this value and paste it over here. And now we actually don't need these 4 lines, so delete it. Okay, so here's our decision making for all these steps. Let's align this like this, or you may break it down to clarify yourself. Okay, so here we are, and one another thing we need to do, that if no value is specified or some other options are there, then is entered, then you have to write wrong selection. Okay, so that is how we are going to work. But in the another case, we need the value of degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit from the user. Okay, so we are again going to print a line, or you can do one more thing, that we are going to print it here, print f, that is enter the Celsius value. Okay, and that will end over here, and then we are going to scanf as a scanf, that will be our %f comma %c. Okay, and again we can just copy these lines and then paste it here, and then say Fahrenheit, and then this will be f. Now all messed up here, but see the line of code, as it follows the top down method. Okay, what's happening here? First of all, we are going to print that select an option, then the user selects an option, and then our decision making start. If the option is 1, then it will print that enter a Celsius value, and then after it will print a Celsius value, and then after the conversion, that the program will give the result like this: C to F is CF. And so if the operation OPR is 2, then it will print the Fahrenheit value, and after the printing the Fahrenheit value, we will get a result FC. Else it will say that the wrong selection. Fine. So this is our program. Now let's test it out. Okay, we are going to compile it. Compilation is cool. Now Control F10. So here we are going to test a value for 1. Enter the Celsius value right now. So the Celsius value is 72, and so we are getting a value of 61. Okay, so now let's exit it out, and now again test it for Fahrenheit value. Okay, so compile it, run it, and now test it out for 2, and the Fahrenheit value is 161.6, and the Fahrenheit is 72. Quite cool. And again, if you give some other options here, like I say 3, then it will say wrong selection. Okay, so this is how our decision making and all these operations are working together, and this is the code for your degree Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to degree Celsius conversion into the C programming language. Okay, so that's it. That's all for this program, and we are going to test another program in our another tutorial. So stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel, and do like, share, and comment to this video if any doubt or any reviews you wanted to give. Thank you.